Hi friends, welcome to Ajay Solutions YouTube channel. Today in this video we will discuss about how to close HDFC bank account. So we will see the procedure on how to close HDFC bank account. To close a bank account, you must visit any branch in the country. To close HDFC bank account, you must fulfill some requirements. The very first requirement is that you must clear all dues. If you have taken any loan, you must clear that loan. Or if you have any negative balances, you must clear that negative balance. Then only it will be possible to close the HDFC bank account. In the very next step is that you must visit any HDFC branch in any branch in any state so that you can close your HDFC bank account at any branch. And the third one is that you must carry passbook, checkbook, ATM card, valid ID card, address proof. Address proof, and you must also carry passport photos. So there will be some procedure. They will give you a account closing form. You must fill that form and give it to the branch authority with valid documents. Then they will verify your account details and your identity proof, and they will close your bank account. If you are closing your bank account other than the home branch, then it will take some time, nearly 15 to 30 days time. So like this you can close your HDFC bank account by visiting any branch. Thank you for watching my video friends. If you have any doubts, please comment below. If you like my video, please give a like and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you friends.